Sit back and relax, and let's stroll through memory lane for a little bit. Most of my Saturday mornings were spent at a river, watching my mom and my grandmom and their companions do their weekly laundry and gossip. We would pack the back of my grandfather's truck with basins, clothes, bleach, and soap, and even snacks because it was a whole day thing. I remember my cousins and I just eager to jump in as soon as we reach, but they always remind us, "Ono cool off us." This video is so special to me because it reminds me of my Saturday mornings as a child. Hope you enjoy, and let's jump in.
Yeah. Been calling you. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? It's BrightAsDae. Welcome to another video, another Jamaican video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today I'm at river. I'm gonna wash today. I did promise y'all a river vlog some of the times. Every time I've been here, I never got the opportunity to vlog it. Even if I come to river and rinks, I never been to wash. So this is our first time together washing. So yeah, so the reason being, we have washing machine at the house. Obviously y'all know this, but one of them isn't working. The guy came to look at it and left it and didn't put it back, and the other one is not working. So it's cool. I don't have a problem really washing with my hands and some, as long as it's not a lot of clothes, because me not like, you know, I'm not a washer like, yeah girl, I can't do, yeah, you know, some people pride themselves and some of them like, I can't wash my clothes. Obviously when I'm done it's gonna be clean, but me not like somebody who can sit down over a big old bad pan of clothes and then someday. That's just not me. My hand start cramp, my back start hurt, my foot get cramp up. So guys, after breakfast we got a river. I didn't vlog this, but the other day I wash because the machine wasn't working. I'm washing my hand, my white clothes there. I'm washing my hand, hang them up on the line, nice and pretty. As me push up the band, but the line tear down with the whole like clothes them. Somebody Vicks, I'm gonna just rinse them all, put them in a soap water, and then now me I come back to it. So now me I go river. I go river go swim. River is not really my thing, y'all know that. I rather like beach and stuff. So I'm just gonna go wash. Hopefully stone did that a long time. I didn't do something, yeah. But hopefully we can go river go wash, find some way for sit down or whatever. I rinse out the clothes them. Me used to do this when we were picnic, you know, every Saturday. Rinse and, you know, bowl up a pan and them, some of them. And then we'll probably go up a top, like up a reach for us. And I'll vlog that for y'all as well. But y'all, that's where we're going. We got guests, but I don't know if guests is comfortable on inside. Don't bother some enough of vlogging. But on the
let me say something now.
Really?
Hey guys, you know, I haven't been to this part of Portland, but you know, I'm there with my cousin, and but one thing, cause you can't change up your bonnet, look at it.
No, the people them love my bonnet. You know much time put up with that. Oh my god, Day, where did you get your bonnet from? Day, where did you get your bonnet?
Oh, it make your head look big.
But I be a cane run under here.
No, pretty bad.
I mean, I wear my wig or I go with up my wig. Cause I'm coming. I mean, town come a country. Huh? You move too fast now, mash up your foot on the rock. But yeah, so I'll come while our hands because it's so slippery. How can a man no be? Then one make you want to leave her.
Come on, man. I just
Nadia. Shallow, that's every prayer. Where am I go? Come boy. So well, I'm not left me down here. Shop before you go for the them now. Alright, to their music playing on my vlog. Hey guys, so what's them egg? Hey, my flings don't lick me now.
Pass the food.
Yeah, go up there with it? Yeah. Alright guys, so we reach. Hey! Guys, we reach river. So I'm gonna wash them. I go up at it. Let me show you. So this is the part where like usually people wash. The swim and deeper part is up there. But I'm gonna wash. There go my clothes right there. All the phone and stuff. I got the speaker with my music going. And they're gonna explore and stuff. So that's my cousin, his sister, and his girlfriend. Sweet went back to get some from the house because Shav apparently left some. So he's on his bike. Sweet has this love for motorcycles. Like, I have a fear and he has a love for it. We have to come to like a medium, like a balance where like I'm like, all right, it's okay to ride it today. And sometimes I'm like, yo, don't go punning them tar. Like, but he's coming to wash it today at the river and stuff. So I'm allowed for you know, to wash it. Them gonna left me and me one down here. I'm not really afraid still. Just gonna do my thing and yeah. And showing what I can show now. I did promise y'all a Jamaica river vlog. I'm setting up my little station. I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. So the process of Jamaican washing, or I'm gonna say where we wash is, I'm not gonna speak for all Jamaicans, but how we wash is you wash out the dirt out of the clothes them first, and then you wash them again, which is called we second the clothes them. Me you wash it a second time. Then we rinse out the soap water. That's gonna be easy because we're at river. And then we rinse with some fabric softener. I have my fabric softener here, and then we fold, like rinse, what you call it, now rinse out the clothes them, squeeze out the clothes them, and then put them in the pan. But I'm gonna show you all that, but I'm just letting y'all know how it's gonna go. Don't see, you ride fast, you ride fast. Up a yard you go, you reach up a yard. You reach up a yard, babe, and come back? Who believe you? You ride fast. You ride fast, man. But yeah, I'm setting up my little station. The clothes are, like I told y'all, the clothes that I'm washing, I washed it before. And the line popped, so I'm just gonna rinse them out, and like, you know, some of them drop in the dirt, so they mud up. So I'm gonna basically rewash and stuff, and Sweet's gonna pass my water and all these things to my wash. Real country girl lifestyle. I'm so excited. But and it's only white clothes, and I got a local undies when we do wear between the last time I wash, which is like 2 days ago and today. I'm gonna rinse those out as well. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure it's the Sweet's clothes then wash good because I can't wash white. Alright, me chat out the vlog and not show the way I do. So let's get to washing. Usually when you come, there's rocks and stuff that you can sit on. People will bring stuff to sit on. I didn't bring anything because I know stones and stuff is around here. So right now, here goes this rock right here that I'm gonna sit on. It's a little muddy, don't watch that. I mean, I really mind, nothing around me or nothing like that. Obviously I'm close to the river though. I mean, I need to spread something to sit on. Babe, the cardboard in the van, or someone something to sit down on. Too rude, man, it's too rude. I'm very uncomfortable on this rock. I should have brought like an ottoman or a sack or something like that for sit down on. Jano, foot I go cramp up. But tell me, I like to know. I'm not used to doing something now.
I wanna love. Every day and every night.
Guys, that stone is really uncomfortable. So I got a flatter one. Yeah, this is flatter, so I can sit on this. It's probably low, but it's fine. At least it's flat. You want to come and say, I go left me too? Go boo! Go boo! Go boo! Alright guys, so here's the one that I'm gonna rinse out the dirt in. I got my cake soap on my what do you call this? My brush, my washing brush. And remember the same creamer from the last time that I thought was creamer and it was oats. Well, another one is fab. So this is just soap powder. So usually this is what we second clothes with. You know, just for rinse out the dirt one more time. So I'm just mixing it all up. And then I'm gonna wash these and I'm gonna put them in there. So let's go.
Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know.
You see the neck part and then some day make sure that them place they wash. So that one just have to wash your white clothes.
Wait, sir, what kind of cake soap you use?
Blue soap, I'm sure no. Wait there.
What kind of cake soap you use? Tell them now.
Blue soap, the one that come in at the big paper pack, that one there. Remember wait. Alright guys, so mega rings now. Don't wash everything. Rings, put on this. The water and the dirty has some fabric softener I'm throw in here to rinse them, and then I'm going to rinse out them here and fold them in this.
That I'm feeling. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know.
So guys, I have to voice over this part. I was saying that the reason I'm doing it in the bath pan now is because I have fabric softener in there, and it defeats the purpose to rinse in the river because you want your clothes to smell nice. So some people fold them clothes, you know, and put it in the next basket. But me just gonna throw them in there. I just might think that. And then when we're done,
How do you draw them so big?
Jesus.
Draw them big like. I've got the jars away.
Then see about pan egg.
You're not the big light.
Yeah, that's how much you come by.
So hold on there. I must period draws them I wear 24/7. 24/7 you wear period draws. Go on, watch out this there, woman.
Always, you can't stop that. Always period. So guys, we done left over everything washed. I'm not even showing the clothes. I'm gonna go to clothes. They wet obviously. So when I get home, I'll show y'all me spreading them on the line and everything. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the little wash series, watch segment. So similar to my childhood, we stopped and we got jelly from the same guy that usually sells it when I was a kid. He's still around, right at Reach Crossing. Jimbal, big up yourself. You have jelly? Yeah. How much is jelly? One jar? The buyer for the jelly, so if I tell you no. Shall buy me a jelly.
If you don't grind me.
Thank you for my jelly.
Two more.
Meat are go nice. No, that thick stress boo. Stress out.
You feel like Ivan? So you have to go buy a tube. Sweeter.
Guys, may I eat the jelly meat. Oh, my son. Yeah, I've seen somebody around here.
Somebody?
Yeah.
Can get to somebody for Manchester. Eh?
So guys, here are the white clothes, nice and white. Squint on the eye, look a bit about a blind. Them well white. They're supposed to dry right now, but I'm just gonna make sure they're crispy dried. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Remember to comment down below and hit the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And I'll see y'all in another video. Bye.